Hey, if you're new to Fiverr and if you're wondering, is it possible to take a couple of days off on the platform without it affecting your good rating? Well, I'm here to tell you that in fact you can, and I'm also here to show you how. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey, welcome back to Speak Easy. This is the place where we can talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. My name is Anna. Welcome to the show. This is going to be quick and easy because this is a very easy question to answer. So let's have it again. The question goes, is it possible to take a couple of days off of Fiverr just for a couple of days? Maybe you're busy with a lot of other things. Maybe you have a day job, or maybe you have a lot of clients and they're all due at the same time, or maybe you just want to go on vacation. That is possible. All you have to do is set your availability, okay? So I'm about to do that right now because I am, in fact, going on vacation. So let me just set up my screen. And while I do that, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, especially if you are on your journey to becoming a voiceover talent. If you're just starting out, I have a lot of practical tips, practical tools that you can actually use on your journey to becoming a successful voiceover talent. Also, do tap the notification bell. That is just so you know if I have new videos out. You get dibs on that, which is always cool, right? Okay, I think I have it. So go ahead and tap it. And I always try to have new videos out every week, and I try to keep them as practical as I can. What you're seeing there is my Fiverr profile. All right, so here I am. And as you can see, it says I'm online. So anyone, absolutely anyone, can actually just send me a message and maybe order or maybe inquire. But I am not available. Maybe I won't be able to check my Fiverr account for a couple of days. Maybe I'm really busy for whatever reason. So what happens if I do not answer a potential client? So for example, you let the client's message go unanswered. What will happen is Fiverr will not give you as many potential clients as should be going your way. The algorithm will keep tabs on that. Also, you might not be able to go a level higher in your seller level. As you know, that's very, very important on Fiverr. So we have to protect that. So it's very, very easy. As you can see, we only have to scroll down to set availability, which is right here. So let's click on that. So today's July 8th, as you can see. So let's just say I'm unavailable starting tomorrow, or no, make that starting tonight, July 8th, and until July 14th. And then down here, you're going to have to let them know why. Okay, so you just have to select your reason. I'm going on vacation, I'm overbooked, or other. I think if you click other, yeah, you'll just have to put your reason down here. Okay, so I will say I'm going on vacation because that's what I'm wanting to do. So I've already set that on the 14th. And then I just added a message here. Hey, I'm currently unavailable, but please visit soon. Looking forward to working with you. That is what your client is going to see when they click on your profile. Enable new buyers on Fiverr to contact me. Maintain your response rate. This is what I was talking about. If a potential client sends you a message and you don't answer right away, your response rate will be affected, and Fiverr keeps tabs on that. Okay, so if you are going to enable this one, enable new buyers on Fiverr to contact me, you better make sure that you can respond on time. So I don't want to do that. I don't want my response rate to be affected, so I won't click on that. I'm sorry, I'm not going to click on that. Okay, so I will save that. I wonder why it won't save. Okay, maybe it's because of this. Maybe it's because it's too late to say that. There you go. So save. And then what you will see over here is it says unavailable. Okay. So when your client goes to your page, that's what they will see, unavailable. Okay. And then when you go to your own page, you will see you're unavailable. You won't be able to receive new orders or messages until July 14, 2022. And this is my reason right here. So if I were you, I will just not click the enable new messages to come in, just because if you're really busy, then there might be a chance that you won't be able to answer those messages. So it's better to just leave it unticked and just enjoy your vacation, enjoy your break. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Everybody goes through that. Everyone on Fiverr takes a couple of days off. This is also good to maintain your response rate, and also just to make sure that you can attend to all of your clients. Okay. So if you have any more questions for me, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. That's Ana Buena 711 and Ana Buena on Facebook. You can reach me there. You can also follow me there, or you can also leave me a comment down at the comments section. Okay. So that was a very, very fast Fiverr tip for you. And hopefully I helped you out. All right. Don't forget, please, to click the subscribe button down below, and also give me a thumbs up for this video if you found value in it. If you know anyone who's also going through the VO journey, go ahead and share this video with them. Please don't skip any of the ads. And also, you will find a very cute button, a heart with a $sign on it. And if you want to support this channel, if you want to support me and help this channel to keep going, do click that button and find out how you can send me some love. And also, if you want to learn more about Fiverr and how to put up your own gig page on Fiverr, I have a complete video on that. I will walk you through the 5 very important steps on how to set up a very successful Fiverr gig or Fiverr profile. So go ahead and check that out. I'll link it up. Nope. Here. It always comes out here. All right. So click on that and I'll see you in that video. In the meantime, I'll wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.